Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to care bougainvillea to make it flower profusely. Bougainvillea plants have flowers in a wide range of bright colors. A well-maintained bougainvillea plant with full blooms is a very attractive sight in your garden. Here you can see some of the bougainvilleas in my garden. By seeing this, you can understand how well it flowers. Through this video, I will tell you what I do to make the bougainvillea flower like this. Number 1. Sunlight. As bougainvillea is a tropical plant, it loves to have direct sunlight. It's a general known fact that bougainvillea needs minimum of 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight, but in winter season in my garden I get only 2 hours of direct sunlight. Still my bougainvillea plants flowers very well. So from my experience I can say that a minimum of 2 hours of sunlight per day is sufficient for the bougainvillea plants to flower. Number 2. Watering. Watering the bougainvillea plants is another deciding factor how well your plant blooms. For the plant to flower well, it should be kept under certain stressful conditions. So if you water daily, it will comfortably grow green leaves but not flowers. So until the flower starts appearing in the bougainvillea plant, do not water it daily. Water it only if you see the plant is wilted. Once the flowers start appearing, then you should water it sufficiently and should not wait for the plant to wilt. Number 3. Pruning. Pruning the plant is necessary to maintain a good shape and also to promote more branches and thus to have a bushy plant. There are two types of pruning, hard pruning and soft pruning. Hard pruning is done when the plant does not flower, that is during the off seasons. If you are living in a country where rain is available, you can do it in monsoon season. But here in Qatar, I prune my plants whenever it grows out of shape. In hard pruning, you can cut off all the branches which has grown wildly. Here you can see after pruning how neat the plant looks. Soft pruning is done when the plant starts flowering. Usually in bougainvillea plants, the flower blooms at the tip of the new branches. So when the flower starts blooming, if you pinch off the tip, then new shoots with buds will grow from each of the leaf nodes below the tip you pinched off. The more branches the plant has, the more flowers it will produce. If necessary, you can do soft pruning after each flowering cycle. Applying a chemical fertilizer is very essential for bougainvillea plants to bloom well. The NPK fertilizer, which is available in the market, acts as a flowering booster for the bougainvillea plants. Depending on the pot size, you can add 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of NPK fertilizer every month. While adding the fertilizer, care should be taken not to put the fertilizer at the base of the plant but little away from the base. If the leaves of the plants are yellowish green and veins are visible like this, it is because of nitrogen deficiency. To correct this, we must add an organic fertilizer which contains lots of nitrogen. Nitrogen is needed for the plants to have green leaves. I use compost made from kitchen waste as the organic fertilizer. Number 5. Reduce leaf density. If the plant has lot of green leaves, then also it will not produce much flowers. Therefore, all the extra leaves must be removed by pinching them off. You can see lot of flowers blooming in this plant after removing the extra leaves. Number 6. Repotting. Even after doing all the above mentioned 5 tips, if your plant does not flower well, that means it must be repotted. The plant you see here has very few flowers and also no new growth. This stunted growth is because the root has no place to grow inside the soil and the pot is filled with roots. The growth of the plant above the soil is equivalent to the growth of the roots under the soil. Repotting makes the plant to grow fresh once again. If you follow these 6 tips, any bougainvillea plant will flower very well. And a bougainvillea plant with full blooms is such a beautiful sight. It fills a plant lover or a flower lover's heart with joy.